Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This is Mohana Khan, and in today's video I'll be doing a clothing haul. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video, but I was going through some family stuff, some health issues. So I'm really sorry for not posting for like 2 weeks. So today I'll be doing a clothing haul. This is not a very huge clothing haul. I did not get many pieces. I only got very selected pieces that I really liked, and the thing that I noticed is that all of these pieces are like things that you generally get on Shein. Like, since Shein is banned in India, a lot of people are crying about it because obviously Shein gave us such trendy clothes. But this time when I went to the mall for shopping, I found quite a few stuff that you would generally find on Shein, the kind of pieces that Shein generally has. So yes, I've got quite a few pieces and I wanted to share it with you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe. And if you enjoy watching the video that you are watching right now, then please hit the thumbs button. It would mean the absolute world to me. Yeah. Before I show you guys the pieces, I want to give out a quick disclaimer. All of these pieces were at a 50% off. There was a huge sale going on in all the malls and all the stores. So I got all of these items at a 50% off. And I'll start with the things that I got from Levi's first. So the first thing that I got are these pair of denims. These are a high-waisted balloon jeans, and it has some pleats near the waistline, and the legs of this one are very poofy. Obviously it's a balloon jeans, so it's very poofy and very casual, and I love the fit of this denim. And I especially got this denim because of its material. The material is very soft, it's not heavy, and it does not feel like a jute bag. So I got this denim because of the material. The material is very soothing, is very light, and yeah, this is the first thing that I got. This denim was for 3899 and I got it at a discount of 50%. The next piece that I got from Levi's is this t-shirt. This is a basic white t-shirt and it has this lettuce sleeve detailing on the neck, the sleeves, and on the bottom as well. The sleeves come up till here. You will see in a while when I show you the try on part. And this is what it looks like. The material is very soft, it's very soothing, and the material is ribbed also, so this looks very casual yet very chic when you wear it. Now moving on to the things that I got from Only. The first piece that I got is this top right here, and this has to be my most favorite top from the lot. It has very thin sleeves and the front part of the top is kind of a bralette kind of a top. It also has a tie detail in the front. The material of the top is very beautiful and the lining comes just under your bust, and the bottom part does not have any lining, so it looks very beautiful and I just love this piece. Next up, I got this top right here. This is a dusty pink colored top, and the thing that intrigued me the most about this top is its sleeve. The sleeves are really beautiful. It's a poofy sleeve and it also has a ruffle detailing towards the end. The neckline is a sweetheart neckline. I really love sweetheart necklines, and this material also has a self design. The tops that I got this time are very casual, but they look very beautiful still. The third piece that I got from Only is this top right here. First, can we take a moment to talk about how pretty the color is? This is a very bright yellow color top. So this is a polo neck crop top and I really loved the material. It's very soft and this as well is ribbed. This piece looks very flattering on my body type and I love how it fits. And this is the kind of top that was very widely available on Shein. I saw so many different kinds of the same design on Shein. The next top that I got is also a very popular Shein design, and that is this crop top right here. Again, the color of this one is very pretty. It's a light baby pink shade and I absolutely love how the color looks. It's so summery and fresh. It's a tank top but the sleeves are a little thinner than a regular tank top. It's actually a crop top and the material is again ribbed and it also has some button detailing. So again, this is very comfortable. It's very soft. And this is the last thing that I got. So yeah, this was it for today's video, and it's a very teeny tiny clothing haul, but I was really excited to show you guys all the things I got. And also because these are like things that you would generally get on Shein, a lot of people are very worried about Shein getting banned. So I wanted to give you guys some alternatives of Shein. If you are looking to buy something that you would get in Shein, you can definitely check out Levi's and Only. I'm sure that you would get some pieces that you would generally get on Shein. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Until next time, stay safe, stay home, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.